folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. This week we're going to be having some Crockpot pork tenderloin. It's going to be a easy thing to do. All you're going to do is just put everything in and then just let it sit there for 6 hours on high. It's actually 6 hours on low. I had messed up in the beginning there, but it is 6 hours on low. Let's get back to the video. But we got our pork right here. I let it sit overnight in some of our seasoning. I'll show you the seasoning here. But here's the seasoning we used. But we sliced it up here and just let it sit in some oil and that seasoning overnight. We got our taters here. We'll be putting them in, then some chicken broth. We'll be putting the carrots in about 30 minutes before it's done, and we're going to be slicing this onion up. We ain't going to dice it. We're going to put it into some pretty thick slices there, but let's get started. Alright, here's our onions. Mama diced up for us. Just get that spread around. And then put the taters in. Now we're going to put some of our Country Bob's all-purpose seasoning in here. It'll probably be seasoned from the pork whenever I put it in with all the juices from it. Well, oils. But we'll put some seasoning on the taters. That way they're seasoned up. Seasoned enough for you, Mama?
Yep.
Alright. Mama says it's good. Oh, that's what I'll do. Alright. Dump the pork in. Got just a couple more pieces up here in the end. Alright. You get a wooden spoon to spread that out. Alright. And then we'll have our broth here. Alright, so again, in the video here I said 6 hours on high, but it is 6 hours on low. But let's get back to the video. Alright, I don't know what happened to the audio on this particular clip, but it was just all garbled up. But what we're doing right now, we're putting in some carrots. You don't really want to put them in all day, especially if, well, the only reason why we put them in was because they was already canned, and by the time all of it would have got done in 6 hours, if they've been just shriveled up and all to nothing, just really not soggy, but they would have been just mushy. Mushy, that's the word I'm looking for, really mushy. But the meat and the taters is already done. We're just putting the carrots in to warm them up and get them all seasoned up with the meat and the taters. But here in just a few seconds, you'll see it all plated up. Alrighty, folks. Here's our pork, our taters, our carrots, our green beans, and here's Mom's salad. Try you a piece, Mom.
Tender. Yeah, that's a keeper.
Alrighty, folks. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching.